This is the perfect weather to stay inside and work on my turbine. My goal is for today to hit the turbine with a perfect angle. So it's kind of a fine adjustment. And then I will test the turbine with my pipe. I took the turbine and flipped it to its side to see it properly. I have 3D printed different nozzle sizes already, from 3, 4, 5 to 6 millimeters. Starting with the 3 millimeter, which is the smallest, and I've put a drill into it so I can see where the water will hit the buckets. ChatGPT said the optimal angle is before this one is at 90 degrees, which is right here. And now it already hits the next bucket. Don't know if I'm doing this right. Now it's hitting the next bucket. Not sure if that's right, because I'm guessing now the water will go in here and spray out to the top. I don't know if that's supposed to be like that. But at least this method is nice to see where and when water hits at what point. What I just showed was kind of the vertical alignment. For the horizontal alignment, I'm taking a flashlight and glow in here, and if you see, this is without, this is with light. If you see light on the right side of the bucket and on the left side of the bucket, I think this is aligned properly. Since it's just a 3 millimeter nozzle, I think this is pretty spot on already. I will leave it like that and probably hook it up and test it. See what voltage it gets. Probably gonna do a first test where I just measure the voltage with no load in it. So this free spinning, if the free spinning voltage is already too low, I don't have to pull any cables yet. I built this part right here before I bought the big pipe. I made these clamps here and there, so this is solid and I can remove the whole turbine without changing the nozzle direction. My goal is now to put this here and 3D print an adapter from this 1.5 inch female to 3/4 inch male. So then I can this will be in here and I can remove it very easy. and to take the whole turbine back to the house if I have to do anything with it. That's what the part looks like. We got 1.5 inch male thread here and 3/4 inch female thread there. Not too hard to design that. It's much faster for me to design it and print it out and then to drive to a store where I might not find this exact part. In the long run I will have to buy metal ones, since a pressure of 4 bar might not work in the long run, but for now, for testing, it's alright.